Nutrition and animals. If we are thinking about the nutrition of animals, so how is the process? So what happens? We used to take food with the help of our hand and to the mouth. First, the food is going inside our body, the body part. The opening is called mouth. So that is ingestion. Okay. Now second thing is that digestion. The digestion is something like that whenever the food material is going inside our mouth, so there is saliva. Along with saliva, there are different types of different types of enzymes. Those can able to help in digestion of food. Okay. So next, through the help of the esophagus, it is going to the stomach. So in the stomach also, there are different types of enzyme. With the help of this, that breakdown or the complete digestion of food is going to happen. Then absorption, the different types of foods are absorbed in that in different body organism, depend upon that different kinds of animal, and then assimilation, and whatever the remaining part of the food that is not digested, so they are simply thrown out in or throw out outside of the body. That is the digestion. So there are different phases of the nutrition. First, we are going to discuss about the nutrition process of amoeba. Okay, nutrition process of amoeba. What happened in case of amoeba? Yeah, the same thing, that ingestion, digestion, that absorption, assimilation and digestion all are happens in within the amoeba. Though amoeba is a very small size organism, and this is mostly seen, this is a unicellular organism. So the mechanism of taking the nutrition and that digestion and assimilation process is very simple. Okay, if you, that is nucleus, amoeba, as pseudopodia, that means that extension of cell membrane. Okay, those kind of features, so it do not have a regular shape. Okay, so how it is going to engulf the food inside its body? So that is food material. So whenever that amoeba is going to sense the food material, so what they do, they actually extend their pseudopodia to engulf towards the food, to engulf the food material. Okay, so first what they actually did, they actually take the food inside the body, inside the snow, with the help of their pseudopodia. With pseudopodia, with the help of this is nucleus and this is the cytoplasm. Okay, this is nucleus and cytoplasm. So what they actually do, they intake the food with the help of a size of a food. Its name, it is known as food vacuole. Okay, it is known as food vacuole. That amoeba is going to create a food vacuole. So after in the food vacuole, that enzyme, the enzyme secretion takes place. The secretion of the enzyme takes place, and after that they are going to digest the food. Okay, they are going to digest the food vacuoles break down, and the food has been digested in a simpler form. Okay, and the rest of the undigested part is in the undigested part of the food is sent away from the body by making the pseudopodia, that with the help of the pseudopodia they can able to throw it out the undigested food material. Okay, so first what they do, I'm repeating the same thing. Actually what they do is that is a food material. So what happens, they can engulf it by with the help of the pseudopodia, and then they create a food vacuole. So they create a food vacuole. Then that food whenever they are going to take it inside the body, so that membrane is going to dissolve. Okay, and the food materials is also the breakdown and for helping in the absorption process, they become very simple. Now it's from complex simpler. It's a simple form. It's a simple form of food. It will help in digestion. Okay. Then it's come to that another one after digestion, whatever the undigested part. So that is undigested. Those are undigested. So this undigested food is it has thrown out in the body. Okay. With the help of through this process, amoeba is taking its food. I hope everything is clear. So next, so what happened? As I'm repeating the same thing once again, that is that amoeba don't have the regular shape. It has that pseudopodia, and with the help of pseudopodia, they are going intake the food material inside its body. So what are the other things? The other thing is that they're going to create a food vacuole, and they secrete different kind of enzyme to break the food material into simpler form, and simpler form will help them to digest very easily. And third thing, that whatever the undigested food material is there, undigested material which is not required for that organism, it's simply thrown out from the body. Okay, so through this process, the nutrition of amoeba has been is going on. So next